Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to see how I turn this basic IKEA dresser into architect's drawers, keep watching the video. I got this one from a friend of mine, so I knew exactly where it came from and I knew it was very clean. I was actually very surprised because I was expecting the drawer fronts to be pine, but unfortunately they were particle board, so I was almost ready to give up on it because I didn't think I would be able to do what I was planning to do with this with an MDF board. But I decided to go through with it anyways. So I was looking for quite a long time for something like this with a completely flat front because I wanted to turn it into apothecary style cupboard or architect's drawers. Unfortunately, there were those two pieces of wood between drawers that kind of ruined that idea. But I was just curious if I was gonna be able to, make it work anyway. So I used my router to divide those drawers into many smaller sections and basically make it look as if this piece had lots of very shallow drawers. I used a straight bit, and don't judge me because I'm just learning how to use a router. This is, I think, the third project I actually was able to use it on, so I'm not a professional whatsoever. But I managed to do it, and it was almost straight, so it was good enough. I cut off those pieces of board that were overhanging because it just wouldn't go with the look that I was going for. So I cut them off all around and I used veneer strip and I ironed it on. Using that veneer strip is actually super easy and it's a good way to fix all those exposed MDF edges. It comes with an adhesive and it's heat activated, so you literally just iron it on, and once the glue is warm you can reposition it and it's just super easy to work with. I also filled the holes from the previous hardware with some silicone. I sprayed the outside of this dresser with a black color. It's called Anchor, and this is Dixie Belle's all-in-one mineral paint, and this one has built-in primer and clear coat, so this is very easy to use. I added just a little bit of water just to make it easier for the sprayer, but you shouldn't dilute it too much because of the primer and the clear coat. I drilled the holes for the hardware before I painted it, just so I wouldn't mess up the paint job. And also I used a heat gun just to speed up the drying process because the weather wasn't great and I would have waited a long time for the paint to dry otherwise. If you guys live in a place that's not very sunny, using a heat gun can be a lifesaver and will enable you to work when it's cold outside. And we are almost done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I installed castors off camera, but this is pretty much it. Please subscribe, like and comment if you enjoyed this video, and check out my links in the description if you would like to support the channel. Now just have a look at some before and after pictures. See you guys soon.